Wattman Mini-UniPrep G2 syringeless filter for HPLC and UHPLC sample preparation. Pressed for results? Press here. The Mini-UniPrep G2 streamlines your HPLC and UHPLC sample preparation, increases throughput and enhances lab productivity. It simplifies your workflow by replacing 4 different components. With one Mini-UniPrep G2, this reduces waste generated in lab as well as supplies that need to be ordered and stocked. And its new glass design minimizes leachables and helps to ensure the purity of your sample. The Mini-UniPrep G2 includes a Borosilicate glass chamber to hold unfiltered liquid, a plunger with a Wattman filter membrane, and a glass collection vial. The glass chamber is placed in the hand compressor base. Liquid is placed into the glass chamber. Maximum volume is indicated by the fill line. The plunger is inserted into the chamber until it stands on its own. For your safety, never squeeze the Mini-UniPrep G2 glass product with your fingers. Use a hand compressor to safely depress the plunger into the unfiltered liquid. When compressed, liquid is forced up through the filter membrane and into the glass collection vial. Particulates are removed as the liquid flows through the filter. The high-purity borosilicate glass construction of the interior vial ensures the integrity of your sample. The filtered sample is now ready 3 times faster than traditional methods, and the Mini-UniPrep G2 can be loaded directly into your auto sampler. Pressed for time? Press here. To speed up sample processing, the multi-compressor can process up to 8 samples at one time. Insert 8 Mini-UniPrep G2 collection chambers. Fill with liquid. Insert plungers. And depress the handle to quickly filter multiple samples. The Mini-UniPrep G2 can be used with high-throughput robotic systems, which improves workflow and increases lab productivity. Press to cut costs? Press here. The Mini-UniPrep G2 eliminates multiple consumables, reduces sample preparation time, and automatically filters your sample, ensuring no instrument downtime due to unfiltered samples. Mini-UniPrep G2, the next generation filtration device designed with the demands of modern HPLC and UHPLC systems in mind.